Enterprise Minds Digital Twins Plurality and Causality. A proposition for business value transformation and transformative decision-making. It's the summer of 2023, and many claim the Internet of Things, IoT, is in a trough of disillusionment. Some think it is a shallow trough. Questions are being asked. Are we wasting IoT data? Is it just numbers flickering across an expensive dashboard? Is it possible to extract higher and higher levels of useful information from data? Well, this is exactly what TwinARC, a product-based service for manufacturers of physical products, does. TwinARC delivers higher value, in a graduated step-by-step fashion, providing information necessary to meet, and even exceed, your business needs. TwinARC increases business value by enabling well-supported, robust and fast decision-making. So how does Enterprise Minds TwinARC work? Your existing IoT platform is presumably confusing, only enabling observation of raw data on a dashboard that leaves a lot of questions unanswered. A call to our secure API summons the power of TwinARC into your existing IoT platform. Our solution combines Rules Digital Twin that detects issues, Stats Digital Twin that assigns probabilities, and, using a meta-learner, makes the traditional, brittle, digital twins more robust. Once the data clears certain technical hurdles, our causal digital twin allows you to perform root cause and what-if analysis that leads to deeper performance understanding and unprecedented improvement. TwinARC focuses on operations across diverse industry verticals. TwinARC prevents equipment breakdowns. Maximizes EV driving range in real time. Optimizes the green quotient of your facility. Contact us for a no-cost test deployment, a key first step towards unleashing decision support solutions to boost performance understanding and business performance improvement for your enterprise.